is a heart inside me. This feelings in my heart must be released. I feel so alive, I just can't help myself about the one who makes my heart beat. I love living in love with Jesus. I love knowing that He loves me. Feeling the soul shine in my heart when the wind is still. Oh, how I love living in love with you. This precious is the precious is what things I fall. Each day with Him is sweeter than before.